All right, you hear that noise? So my toilet is still running, and I know this flange is not bad because I tested it. So what a lot of times will happen is this rubber part right here will get worn off, and that will make the water seep through. But I got this constant running. And this part, this little handle needs to be replaced first. So first thing you want to do is cut off the water. So if you can see down here, I'm losing water real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And to do so, I just turn this spigot here. It's usually going to be on the left side of the toilet. Sometimes it's on the right. But this is basically the main valve to the water. So I want to turn it to the right, and it's usually the right. As you can see, you don't hear the water any longer.